Hi, today I'm going to show you how to crochet a coaster in 6 easy steps. I'll show you how to hold your hook, make a slip knot and create a crochet square. It's easier than you think. All the materials you'll need for this project are available at Spotlight. You'll need 8-ply yarn, a 4mm crochet hook, scissors and a yarn needle. Make a slip knot and place it onto your 4mm crochet hook. Chain 6 stitches loosely and slip stitch into the first chain. For the first round, chain 3 stitches. This counts as your first treble stitch. Then turn your work left or right and into the center ring, make 2 treble stitches. Then chain 2 stitches, 3 treble stitches, then 2 stitches again. Repeat this process twice more. Slip stitch into the top of the first chain 3, done at the beginning of the row. For the second row, make 3 chains. Then into the next corner space, make 2 treble stitches and then make another 2 chains. Then, complete another 3 treble stitches into the same corner space. In each of the remaining corners, complete 3 treble stitches, 2 chains and 3 more treble stitches. At the end of the row, slip stitch into the top of the first chain of 3, done at the beginning of the row. Complete the same steps as the previous round for round 3. However, note in the side spaces of the square, you do not need to make any chains as you move between each space. Simply chain 3 stitches, treble crochet in the side spaces, and then move into the corner space. Make 3 treble stitches, 2 chains, then another 3 treble stitches. Keep working around until you get to your desired size. At the end of your project, slip stitch into the top of the last 3 chains you completed in your last round, and yarn over and pull through your loop on your hook. Cut the yarn and pull the tail through to fasten off. Then weave in the ends towards the center with your yarn needle. This is just one of the projects you can do with Spotlight. It's easier than you think.